Hi, my name is Kacie McLaughlin with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty, and in today's Home Buying 101 episode, we'll be covering a common question many home buyers ask. My offer got accepted and I've gone through the inspection process and the house needs repairs. Now what? Every inspection reveals some issues, but if during the inspection major issues are discovered that you weren't aware of when you made an offer, you have a few options. One option is to back out of the escrow as long as you have an inspection contingency in place, and the other is to request repairs. If you decide to make a request for repairs, it's just that, a request, and it's entirely up to the seller how they want to respond. The standard contract in California says the house is being sold as is, but does give you, the buyer, the right to make a request. There are a few requirements for selling, like strapping the water heater and installing smoke detectors, but anything else is negotiable. Sometimes, if issues are related to health and safety, the seller may be willing to work with the buyer to address those concerns. And if the seller is willing to work with a buyer, here are a few options. The sellers could either agree to make the repairs or credit the buyer so that the buyer could take care of the repairs themselves after closing escrow. Here's a pro tip. If you're going to make a request for repairs, make the list short and straightforward. Don't ask for a huge laundry list. Instead, only list the stuff that's very important to you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. The Shannon Jones Team would love to be a resource for you.